Right now, as you're watching this video, thousands of immigrants are pouring into our borders.
We have been talking about it for ages, but now it is a time to take action.
So today, we are presenting the first ever patriotic European Citizens Initiative, the Safe Europe Act. We are demanding of the European Commission to install a total and full halt on non-Western immigration, both legal and illegal. From now on, no one comes in and millions go out. But to do that, we need your help.
Now we're not naive. We know that the European Union doesn't care about the future of the peoples of Europe. But we're not asking for permission. We just act and create a political crisis for the European elites.
By hitting the 1 million signature threshold, we will legitimize our movement and we will force them to take a stance. They want you silenced. We want you to be heard. Sign the Save Europe Act and join our movement.